Visit us on onestepenglish.com. Idioms, beauty and brains. Let's learn English.
Today, we will learn more examples of idioms that are related to appearance and mind.
Turn heads.
It means to attract a lot of attention.
You just turned heads when you walked to the stage.
Oh, wow. Thank you for inviting me here.
Drop dead gorgeous.
It means very attractive.
Our new talent is drop dead gorgeous.
Her voice is really great, too.
Only have eyes for.
It means only be interested in.
I only have eyes for this cute puppy.
You should give him a name, kid.
No-brainer.
It is a decision or choice that requires little or no thought.
The math test was no-brainer, right?
I agree. I think I'm going to pass it.
Brains behind something.
It refers to someone who is behind a project or action.
The principal wants to see you all today. He knew that you were the brains behind this superb science project.
That's good to hear, Ms. Green.
Smart apple.
It refers to a clever and intelligent person.
I know you can do it. You're a smart apple.
Thanks, Mom. I'm just a bit nervous.
Not a hair out of place.
It means to have a perfect appearance.
This place is very neat. Not a hair out of place.
Good thing that you like it, Mom.
Deck out.
It means to dress or decorate in a special way.
I'm glad that you're the one that I asked to deck out this place.
It's my pleasure.
Pretty as a picture.
It means describing someone or something as pretty. This beach is pretty as a picture.
I know. It's perfect for relaxing as well.
Put on your thinking hat.
It means asking to find an idea or solve a problem.
Put on your thinking hats, because we're going to have a quiz tomorrow.
What will be the coverage of our quiz?
Let's practice your English.
Practice number 1.
Ready your pencil and paper.
R.
You.
Ready.
Choose the correct meaning of each idioms. turn heads means?
Letter A. Attract a lot of attention.
Letter B. To have a perfect appearance.
Letter C. Asking to find an idea or solve a problem.
The correct answer is letter A. Turn heads means to attract a lot of attention. Drop dead gorgeous means?
Letter A. Attract a lot of attention.
Letter B. Very attractive.
Letter C. Only be interested in.
The correct answer is letter B. Drop dead gorgeous means very attractive. Only have eyes for means?
Letter A. Attract a lot of attention.
Letter B. To have a perfect appearance.
Letter C. Only be interested in.
The correct answer is letter C. Only have eyes for means only be interested in. No-brainer means?
Letter A. A decision or choice that requires little or no thought.
Letter B. To have a perfect appearance.
Letter C. A clever and intelligent person.
The correct answer is letter A. No-brainer means a decision or choice that requires little or no thought. Brains behind something means?
Letter A. Attract a lot of attention.
Letter B. To have a perfect appearance.
Letter C. Someone who is behind a project or action.
The correct answer is letter C. Brains behind something means someone who is behind a project or action. Smart apple means?
Letter A. A clever and intelligent person.
Letter B. To have a perfect appearance.
Letter C. Very attractive.
The correct answer is letter A. Smart apple means a clever and intelligent person. Not a hair out of place means?
Letter A. Attract a lot of attention.
Letter B. To have a perfect appearance.
Letter C. Asking to find an idea or solve a problem.
The correct answer is letter B. Not a hair out of place means to have a perfect appearance. Deck out means?
Letter A. Only be interested in.
Letter B. To have a perfect appearance.
Letter C. To dress or decorate something in a special way.
The correct answer is letter C. Deck out means to dress or decorate something in a special way. Pretty as a picture means.
Letter A. Attract a lot of attention.
Letter B. Describing someone or something as pretty.
Letter C. To have a perfect appearance.
The correct answer is letter B. Pretty as a picture means describing someone or something as pretty. Put on your thinking hat means.
Letter A. Attract a lot of attention.
Letter B. To have a perfect appearance.
Letter C. Asking to find an idea or solve a problem.
The correct answer is letter C. Put on your thinking hat means asking to find an idea or solve a problem.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to click like and subscribe. Visit us on onestepenglish.com.